So we are a bit far from Udine, not very far, 30 minutes away. And we're going to this restaurant called Solder, but it's an agriturismo, which I highly recommend. It's really good. I've been here a few times. Oh, the jasmine, it hasn't grown yet. It's coming. It's going to bloom. That is one of my favorite scents. I love jasmine. Here I am. So it's been a while. I haven't really been filming as much, and I've been quite busy with my new job and just doing some courses and things. And anyways, today we're here to celebrate Renato's birthday, which is my father-in-law. And Ada and Renato also just had their 40th wedding anniversary. And it's actually Mother's Day today, so we have a surprise for Ada as well. So Ada is my mother-in-law. Oh, look at these flowers, so cute. I love plants. I like nature. I'm not like really a camping person, not at all actually, but I love flowers and gardening. They want to have drinks outside before going inside to eat. It's beautiful. The other times that I've been here were in the winter, so it wasn't as like I couldn't appreciate the beauty here. If you have kids, they can play, but like just be careful they don't go over too far near the fence or something. So beautiful. So yeah, moving to Canada maybe next year, and I will miss things like this. But actually you can find similar things in around Niagara Falls, Niagara on the Lake, but it's not the same. And it's a lot cheaper here for the wine. I'm standing up, but we got our prosecco. Very good. Actually, the wine here is one of the best, like especially their red wine, but the prosecco is really good too. But I know that here in this agriturismo they do their own wine, and I recommend the red wine here. Also, I'm on the other side now. So nice. I'm filming this part, which is the entrance, because of the wisteria plant that goes all over the top. It's another plant that I really love. Okay, this is an old style radio. Quite old. It's in the place. Yeah, this is the restaurant. I'm starting with vegetables because I'm vegetarian / trying to be as vegan as possible. So sometimes it's difficult in a small town. Sometimes it's very difficult living in a small town in Italy, in Europe, to be vegan. Almost every dish on the menu has cheese or meat or fish, right? So, for example, for the first and the second, there is absolutely nothing that is vegan in this restaurant. But so I choose to start with some vegetables, and then I'm going with the gnocchi, and then what did I order? A frico, which has cheese in it. So today I'm vegetarian, but there was literally nothing else unless I order another plate of vegetables, and I feel kind of I do feel like I'm sacrificing if I do that, because in my heart I want to eat the frico, but at the same time I have guilt about it. But I hope that when I move to Toronto, that I can become really fully vegan, whereas right now I'm vegan at home, and most of the time, and then once in a while I'm vegetarian, but I'm used to eat meat. So, anyways, that's how my diet has been going, and I do feel the benefits of it. And after I do eat cheese, I do break out. So I've noticed the bad effects a lot more of dairy. He's eating the risotto, and I got the gnocchi, and I asked them to take out the speck. So I got the frico, which is cheese and potatoes. Hi Enrico. Ciao. And the parents got the tagliata, the meat. Oh, Enrico got a bird, faraona. Okay, this is what it looks like when you cut it. There are potatoes in there, but anyway, this is the traditional food of Friuli, the region where I live in Italy. This is merengata, so it's merengue, and this is a croccantino. So it's like a semifreddo inside, covered in like nuts and chocolate powder and stuff. Let's see what it looks like inside. I'm sure. But it's a little bit hard because it's frozen, you know, a bit. A semifreddo is not an ice cream, but something like in the middle between cream and ice cream. We just presented her with our Mother's Day gift. They're actually plants, not cut flowers. I've been drinking the sambuco just a little bit. It's a digestive, and this is the card sold. I don't know if you can see where it is. Bye. Yeah, we're gonna call it a night. Have a good night. Have a good week, everybody. I recommend this place for tourists, like, because it's in the middle of like the countryside of Italy, and they have really good food and very Friulano food, so regional cuisine. And there's a beautiful view here too. I mean, and the price is good, you know, for Italy. Whereas, like, if you're Canadian, you will think like it's cheap here, the food, because Canada has gotten so expensive. Well, Toronto, because I'm from Toronto. Yeah, it's gotten really expensive there. So I don't know. Maybe it's the same actually, because now the dollar's low. I'm just blabbing now. I don't know. Sorry.